difficult times happen. And when you're with a partner, there's ways to go through difficult times that make it more likely that your relationship will thrive and really flourish during tough times. And then there's things couples do where they're fighting and they have conflict. And many times they're the ones that come in for therapy during a very stressful situation or during tough times in their relationship. If you're looking at your relationship and you're wondering if there's things you can do to get along better so tough times won't break you, but rather will teach you new things about each other and actually deepen your relationship, I have 5 ways that I think are going to make a big impact on your marriage. Okay, the first of those, practice calmness and patience toward each other. What does that mean and what does it look like? It means that when you're stressed out and things are going badly, rather than turn on your partner, you look at what the situation is and you blame the situation instead of blaming your partner. One of the reasons a lot of couples did better during the virus was because they blamed the virus for what was going on, for the difficulties, the situations of challenge in their life. They didn't turn and blame each other. If you're looking for ways that you can do better with this, when you want to, instead of attacking your partner, take a moment, pause, and look at what's really happening. Get a piece of objectivity when you're breathing. It might mean you tell your partner, I need a timeout. Like, I feel like I'm going to explode. Whatever it is, the two of you, it's more important that you're a united front against whatever the force or the situation is that you both are feeling is really tough or you're struggling going through. Secondly, keep space alive. During difficult times when everybody is around the house or, basically they're both working from home, or maybe you're educating your children from home, whatever it is, you need a niche, a place you can go that is absolutely your own. You can read there, you can work on your projects there, your hobbies. You will not be bothered or you will not be intruded on. Couples who sustain tough times and they make it through and they end up loving each other more, respect each other's space, and that's why it's so important to bring that into your relationship. Choose to forgive your partner. Forgiveness doesn't just happen, you have to choose it. And one way you choose it is you remind yourself we're all imperfect and we are having an imperfect marriage. Nobody is better than anybody else. You create something that is going to work for the two of you. Forgive for the relationship and for yourself. Many times we're so upset with our partner, it's hard to forgive them personally. You can forgive them because it's going to be better for you and much better for the relationship. The relationship is the third entity you always have to be aware of in your relationship. Fourthly, pursue your partner with dates. If you stop dating your partner because you're married and you feel like you've achieved being together, that's a big no-no in long-term relationships. Partners need to know that you still desire time with them, that you still desire them. So no matter what you do, keep it simple, keep it at home. Have a fire at home and have coffee in the morning. It's as simple as that. Light a candle, have dinner, whatever it is, it's important. Your intention is to spend time together. And lastly, assume the best in each other and bring back positive routines. It's easy sometimes. We start these words like, you always do this, or you never do this. When we start that, we're attacking our partner. We're not assuming the best. We're assuming the worst, and we're bringing up other times they failed. That's a no-no in surviving tough times. In tough times, you have to be extra gentle with yourself and with your partner. You have to tell yourself, we're in this together, they're on my side, and we will make it through together. Something as simple as saying, okay, we're going to have dinner together 3 nights a week. We're going to make something, we're going to both create something good and tasty, comfort food. We're going to use our best dinnerware, and we're going to sit down and share stories and conversation. When you begin instituting that in your relationship, there is nothing that can break you. Believe me, I've interviewed thousands of clients. And what I find is the longer and happier they're married, the better they're able to present a united front and face the challenge together, sharing it and picking up for each other when one partner is down and the other has more time.